Hi, my name is Berta Anna Hock. I'm from Hungary, Budapest. I've just finished the 1 month-long hospitality immersion program in Glion campus.
I decided to do the HAPE program because I needed more knowledge about hospitality, especially the operational part. So when I applied to the master degree, I was offered this one-of-a-kind program, and I thought it was very interesting, and I don't regret at all because it's immersive, it's real-life program.
For me, the HIP was all about learning how luxury and five-star service is taught abroad, because I've only studied in the Netherlands before, and I really wanted to learn how they convey luxury here.
All of our teachers, instructors are from the hospitality industry with experience of 10-20 years. They are all from different countries, so we get to know different cultures, different techniques and habits from all around the world.
For me, hospitality is all about serving people, so I can say that I really like the service course because it's all about the elegance of service and showing people that you care about them, really hospitality thing.
What I enjoyed about the wine course is that we not only learned how to drink wine properly and learn the names of the wines, but we also learned how to convey different kind of flavors to guests and how to talk about wines when we are in service.
The kitchen course, we went to a real kitchen, had to choose from cold kitchen to hot kitchen. I can tell you that it wasn't easy, but it was the most exciting part of the journey because I got to serve my main course to my classmates, to our instructors, even sometimes the headmasters came.
I really love the room division course because I'm a big client of hotels, but I never knew how it worked behind the scene. So it was an opportunity to get to know like the softwares and all the things we would need as a front division person in a hotel. It was very nice working with my peers because we were a group of 30 persons, but small teams, 8 people, so we get to know each other. We have opportunity to talk, and it's on the main Glion campus, so it's a nice environment.
And definitely these are the memories and these are the experience what I'm gonna go through with my career, I hope, in the future.